Parkinson historical volatility calculation, volatility analysis in Python. In the previous post, we discussed the close-to-close historical volatility. Recall that the close-to-close historical volatility is calculated as follows. CCHV equals 1/n underscore I equals 1nx underscore I squared, where xi are the logarithmic returns calculated based on closing prices, and n is the sample size. A disadvantage of using the close-to-close historical volatility is that it does not take into account the information about intraday prices. The Parkinson volatility extends the close-to-close historical volatility by incorporating the stock's daily high and low prices. It is calculated as follow. Parkinson HV equals 1/4n ln 2 underscore I equals 1n lane h underscore I slash l underscore I2. Where hi denotes the daily high price, and li is the daily low price. We implemented the above equation in Python. We downloaded SPY data from Yahoo Finance and calculated the Parkinson volatility using the Python program. The picture on our website shows the Parkinson historical volatility of SPY from March 2015 to March 2020. The Parkinson volatility has the following characteristics. Advantages. Using daily ranges seems sensible and provides completely separate information from using time-based sampling such as closing prices. Disadvantages. It is really only appropriate for measuring the volatility of a GBM process. It cannot handle trends and jumps. It systematically underestimates volatility. Go to our website to download the Python program.